Hey guys, welcome back to Phonics with Uncle Sam. I'm excited because we are just a few sounds to the end of our lesson demos. Now, in our sound revision for today, we are going to look at what we call the long vowel sounds. They are one of the sounds we looked at in our previous lessons. And so today in our revision, we are gathering them together and learning about the long vowel sounds, or reminding ourselves on the long vowel sounds. And to do that, I'm using what we call the vowel hand. Okay, and so the vowel hand is actually in the teacher's guide. That's our vowel hand. So we have the sounds a, e, o, and o. So these are the short vowel sounds on top, and at the bottom there we have the long vowel sounds. So in our previous lesson, we looked at the sound U, meaning we've already looked at these sounds. So we do a sound revision on all of the long vowel sounds. So this one says A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are long vowels that we use. Good job. Now let's quickly go into today's story as we introduce the sound of the day. Ernest and Evelyn are brother and sister. It's hot season. Ernest and Evelyn need to cool down after playing football. Ernest buys a cold drink at Mrs. Peary's in Temba. Mrs. Peary is a kind lady. She lets them sit in front of a noisy electric fan to help cool themselves on this hot day. The fan goes, Have you ever sat in front of a fan before? What kind of air does it blow? It blows cold air, right? And so it helps cool you. So in today's lesson, we are introducing the sound and it's represented by these letters. ER, when they are together, says This is also known as the R-controlled vowel. We have the vowel E being controlled by the bossy R. And so instead of just E with the control, it makes the sound And so the action for this sound is the rotating fan or a rotating mixer. Okay, good job. Now let's quickly go into today's song. The song goes like, the fan in the shop goes The fan in the shop goes cooling all the people. Good job. Now let's quickly go into today's words and see if we can blend and read them. And so these are today's words. Okay, word number 1, we have the sounds herb, verb, and our second word her. Third, letter. And the last word, herb. Good job. Okay, now let's quickly go into our sound pictures and see if we can hear today's sound. What do we have here? It's a cooker. cooker. Now, do you hear today's sound in the word cooker? Yes. And where is it? Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? It's at the end. Cooker. Cooker. What's that? Paint. Paint. Now, can you hear today's word in paint? No. Paint. Paint. What's that? What are we having today for dinner? That's dinner. I can see a drumstick there. Is that in shima? And some veggies. Dinner. Can you hear today's sound in the word dinner? Yes. And where is it? It's also at the end. Dinner. What's that? Ladder. Ladder. Can you hear today's sound in the word ladder? Yes. Where is it? At the end. Ladder. Ladder. Good job. Now quickly, let's get our books and write 1 to 4 so that we can practice writing today's sounds and words. Number 1, write the sound U. U, as in the word Q. Number 2, write the sound like the word cooker. And number 3, write the word ever. Ever. Have you ever seen me dance? Ever. And lastly, write the word rescue. Rescue. Somebody needs to rescue that cat. Rescue. Good job. Thank you very much for sticking around. And remember to get yourself a copy of the Jolly Phonics Teacher's Guide. You can find these books at Beyond Ourselves Zambia, who are the actual authors of these books. All you need to do is follow them on Facebook and inbox Uncle Sam sent me, and you'll be able to have access to this book at 10% discount. So all you need to do is follow their Facebook page and then inbox them Uncle Sam sent me, and you be given details on how you can actually acquire it. Thank you very much, and see you in the next episode.